Daddy.
Are you okay? How about Riley? Are you okay? Oh, yes. How about Ariana? Are you okay? Kumusta? Okay. O si Monira. Hi, Monira. Monira, hi. Bunso. Hi. Si JP. How are you, JP? Are you okay?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay. O si Sepia. Okay ka lang? Pag okay, thumbs up. Yan. Lahat
Thumbs up
na
daw.
thumbs up.
Thumbs up daw. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up daw.
Ayan.
Thumbs up, like that.
Thumbs up. Gayahin si teacher. Yan. Okay, dalawang thumbs up. Yan. Very good. Okay na okay. Kasi ang haba ng bakasyon. Bukas, breakout. Pero pupunta ka lang kayo dito ha, kasi magpipilig tayo. Sir, nabigat 9 o'clock po ha.
See you, ma'am.
Pa-brand out po. Okay? I-review naman natin yung ano na kaya yung mga nakapag-aralan natin mga kulay. Yung mga kulay. O, ano po yun? Ano yung mga yun? Ano po ulit kulay to?
Scholar, ma'am. Scholar.
Color?
JP. Color.
What color is this? Color?
You know. Blue.
Blue. Sabihin na color?
Blue.
Ayan, color blue.
You know it is. Yes, a blue table.
Very good. How about this one? What color is this?
That one?
Yellow.
Is it?
Sabihin lahat.
Is it?
Yellow.
Yellow.
JP, what color is this, JP? What color? This is color yellow. Yes. Ariana, what color? Ano po kulay ito? Color red. Very good. How about this one? JP.
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 Color?
JP. JP. Color.
Wow, very good. JP,
Huh?
what color?
No, 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 no. Don't go there, inside.
Hello,
on the color.
What color?
What the color?
Green. What color am I?
Green. Okay. Don't go inside. No, don't go inside. Later, later.
Mira, ano kulay?
You study color, color. Yeah.
Sophia,
color.
anong kulay? What color?
Green.
Color? Green. Bunso. Bunso.
Don't go inside.
Color
Later,
green.
later.